Glassmorphism, a new trend that emerged in the user interface space. Companies like Apple, Microsoft are using it on their sites. Why aren't you using it on our sites? With transparency and blurred background are the most attractive features of this trendy interface. So in this video, we'll be building this login form with the new Glassmorphism interface, using of course a new library called Glass UI. Let's create a div called card container. Under that, let's put our logo, Starbucks logo. We create a form element. Under that, create a div called inputs, input text and input password. After that, let's create a div called login button, and a button, we're gonna name it login. And the sign up option div, we put literally anything you want to put. In my case, I put this text. We're done with our HTML. Let's style it for now using CSS. This is my CSS setup, guys. I set the background color to blue. Let's center out our card. Let's use the classic way to literally center out our card. We set our text align to center and the position absolute, and the left 50% and the top 50%. Transform, translate left and right 50%, top and bottom 50%. That's actually the classic way to center our div or card. Let's give our padding 50 pixels. And the logo, we set it up to the width of 150 pixels. Alright. And for the inputs, let's set the display to flex and the direction, the flex direction to column. Line our items to center and the margin top 50 pixels. And for the username, let's give it a border of 50 pixels and the width 300 pixels and the height 35 pixels. Margin top 50 pixels and the text indent 10 pixels and the font size 18 pixels. And of course, the border should be transparent, otherwise it's gonna look like trash, to be honest. And for the password, the style gonna be the same as the username class styles. And for the login button, the div, the container, gonna have the top 50 pixels and login button, the actual button, which we name it login, gonna have a border transparent and the background color to white. The font size is gonna be 25 pixels and the padding 10 pixels, and of course the width is gonna be 150 pixels. Let's give it border radius to 50 pixels and that gives a box shadow. And for the sign up option, we give it a margin top of 25 pixels and of course the color should be white. Let's apply our media queries. Let's set the max width to 400 pixels and the card container, let's give it a padding of 20 pixels. Yeah, better. Let's save it and we'll look the results. This is what we got so far. Got the responsiveness, look, for the phone. But one thing is missing. Where's the Glassmorphism? That's missing. Let's visit the website called Glass UI. So this website that I'm talking about, it's called Glass UI or Glassmorphism CSS generator. Let's set our value. Let's copy the styles. We paste it on the card container. Alright, let's see the outcome. Yep, here you go. We got the attractive, blurry, transparency background. Here you go. And it's also responsive. Look at this stuff, guys. It's fantastic.